Welcome to another video. Today I'm going monkey hunting. Wait, is a green monkey up there? That's a good shot, actually. Oh, wow. That's a pretty good monkey. But he's too small to eat. Let me look for a bigger one. Oh, it's a blue tree monkey.
Oh my god. No.
Huh? Did I not? Hello? What? Did I not? I don't think I shot it correctly. Let me just slice its head so it cannot move. Okay. Get back. That's odd. Get back to this. No! The blue tree monkey escaped! Dang it! That one was big! Huh? Hello? What was that sound? Oh my god, where is that green monkey? I see it! Oh yeah, this one's definitely gonna be eaten tonight. Okay. Huh? Ugh. Alright, just muscle memory. Where is this green monkey? Oh, you know what? Maybe a bear took him. God damn. What? Huh. Are you a person? Okay, that should do it. Oh, let me lure one in with a bug, because I know they love bugs. Oh, blue tree monkey, I have food for you. Oh, blue tree monkey, I'm gonna put the food like right here. Oops. Hey! What? I'm not even gonna, you know. Let me reload. Oh, I guess I need to climb a tree. Oh my god, I don't think I can climb a tree. Oh my god! This is so scary! So scary! Hey! Hey! Huh? Man, I'm leaving this forest. I'm leaving this forest. Leave me alone! Ah, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'll leave! I'll leave! I'll leave! I'll leave! I'll leave, I swear! Oh, God.